Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about addition and subtraction for two matrices. We'll write addition and subtraction for two matrices. Let us assume A is a matrix with dimension m by n and B is a matrix with dimension of L by k. Now to add A and B or to subtract B from A, we must have m equal to L and n equal to k. For this one also, m should be equal to L and n should be equal to k. What does it mean? It means that number of rows for A matrix should be equal to the number of rows of B matrix, and number of columns of A matrix should be equal to the number of columns of B matrix. And for subtraction, we have the same rule. For example, say A is a matrix 2 1 0 2 and B is a matrix, say for example 3 2 1 4. But if we have another column 2 3, then we have these are 2 by 2 matrix and these are 2 by 3 matrix. Here, though the number of rows for A matrix is equal to number of rows of B matrix, but number of columns of A matrix is not equal to the number of columns of B matrix. So we can't add A and B, or we can't subtract B from A. When we can do the operation, when we have B matrix with equal number of rows of A matrix and equal number of columns of B matrix. So if we just erase the third column of B matrix, then this B matrix is also a 2 by 2 matrix. Then we can add them. And how we add them? A plus B is equal to, we add each element, we will write 2 plus 3. 2 is from A matrix and 3 is from B matrix. 0 plus 2, this 0 and this 2. Then 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 4. So what we have? We have 5, 2, 2, 6. But if you want to subtract, that means A minus B will have 2 minus 3, 0 minus 2, 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 4. Then we'll have what? We'll have here minus 1 as the first element, minus 2, 0 and minus 2. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.